Okay, hello everyone. This is Bakari. I'm going to do a quick video comparing a pair of little Dynex headphone mic that I have, which is like, I paid no more than like maybe $20 for. And I'm going to compare it to the Blue Snowball Ice. Now, of course, obviously there's going to be a big difference in the quality, but I want to kind of point out a few things that I'm concerned about in terms of the Blue Snowball Ice. One, you'll notice that right now I'm recording using the Dynex mic, this little headphone mic, and I'm going to quickly switch to the Snowball Ice. When I switch to the Snowball Ice, you'll probably notice you're going to have to turn up your volume some. The Blue Snowball Ice, the volume input is very low, so I want you to see if that's the case on your on your device, if that's happening, if you're listening to this. So this is the Dynex right now. I'm going to switch to the Blue Snowball. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the Blue Snowball Ice. To be quite honest, I've had some serious problems with this setup. I've had to do this recording over and over again, and mainly the problem is that sometimes when I'm doing the recording, I get static with the Blue Snowball Ice. Now the sound quality, of course, is better than the Dynex headphones, but seems like every other recording, I'm getting some static, and I'm not sure if I'm getting static in this particular one that I'm doing right now. If I am, I'm going to take it back to Best Buy. That's it. I'm not going to keep trying to fiddle with it. So that's a huge problem. Again, it's the quality is good. The sound is a little bit more compressed. It does not pick up any kind of background noise. It subdues that. I have a fan going in the background. I have the air conditioner going in my office or in my house, and so it's not really picking up that like the Dynex does. But in terms of the static, I'm not quite sure where that's coming from. That really concerns me. So anyway, if this recording sounds okay, I'll keep it. Other than that, in terms of the Blue Snowball Ice, the stand that you see here in the picture, this one is plastic. There are some other models that look almost like this, exactly like this actually, but they do have, it's a metal stand. So this plastic stand, I don't know if it's not really, it would be good for a kind of portable use of the Blue Snowball Ice. So if you're going to be like, putting it in and outside your bag or whatever, it could eventually break or something like that. So it's kind of cheap, but it's fine for me in terms of just being on my desk. Also, I pointed out when I tried to record this before, is that as far as I understand the way it looks, that you can only get kind of one type of volume or one type of audio input into the Blue Snowball Ice, and that is voice, which I'm doing now. I'm not sure if it really does as well on music or the kind of omni, that kind of omni capture that a lot of mics have, being able to kind of capture sound from all different sides of the microphone. It doesn't seem to be any configurations for that. When I went to another store to look at the Blue Snowball mic, that model did have 3 buttons in the back where you could change the configuration. So this one doesn't have that. So anyway, again, if the sound quality does not improve on this, I'm going to take it back, and you might want to definitely, if you plan on purchasing this, definitely test it out a few times to see if it's going to work for you. All right, hope that helps. Thanks. Okay, I wanted to come back one more time and deal with one more issue. I had, like I said, the fan going on in the background, and I could tell that it was the Blue Snowball. I seemed to be picking that up as well. So I was kind of getting this kind of background noise to the audio, and I'm testing it now to see when I turn the fan off to see if that makes a difference. Also, right now the air conditioner in my house is also off, so I wanted to see if the sound quality is different there. So just testing it out again, and this is just a little bit of an extra thing, in terms of part of the demonstration.